to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and here I am back in the greenhouse as usual on what is a lovely, beautiful day. So this is a quick episode and a quick update just to check in out, see how you all are. I'm currently well and my family are well. Hopefully you're all abiding to the rules of working from home if you can, and also sticking to social distancing, making sure we all stay safe. Luckily in my garden it's just me, and at the moment just a couple of blue tits to keep me company. They're just flying around the bird feeder. But I want to draw your attention to, in times like this, that actually gardening will help certainly support your mental health. So if it's just looking at the flowers in your garden, maybe a little bit of weeding, maybe a little bit of potting, all that is really useful for your own mental well-being. Particularly important when days like this, that you can get out of the house and just sit in your own open space, be that a garden or like me in the greenhouse, or even if it's just a balcony. But getting out in fresh air is wonderful for the soul. Maybe some opportunity to take some time out, so maybe have a look at the clouds if there are any and see the different shapes that they form, or maybe look at the summer flowers that are in your garden and maybe just smelling the scent of those flowers. Or even if you've got a lawn or a piece of grass, remove your shoes and have a walk on it if it's not too wet, and just notice the different feelings. But what I want to do is just help you, because myself, I'm a clinical hypnotherapist as well as a keen gardener. And what I have got in my channel is a number of videos that might help you identify stress and become more mindful. So follow the links below in the commentary where it will take to some of the videos I've produced recently. So hopefully you might find those useful. And what I'm going to do now is a quick mindfulness relaxation session. So if you're in the house now, make yourself comfortable, continue to watch, follow the instructions, and as always, stay safe and enjoy. You can do it standing up, sitting in a chair that supports your back, or lying on the floor. Make yourself as comfortable as you can. If you can and want to, loosen any clothes that restrict your breathing. If you're sitting, place your arms on the chair arms, if applicable. If you're lying down, place your arms a little bit away from your sides with the palms up. Let your legs be straight, or bend your knees so your feet are flat on the floor. If you're sitting or standing, place both feet flat on the ground. Whatever position you're in, place your feet roughly a hip width apart. Get comfortable and close your eyes. And take a few moments to simply be. Notice whatever is being experienced in the moment. Any sounds, physical sensations, thoughts, or feelings, without trying to do anything about it. We'll continue like this for a little while, just allowing yourself to settle down. Now bring your attention to the breath. Let your breath flow as deep down into your belly as comfortable, without forcing it. Simply notice the breath as it moves in and out as the body inhales and exhales. Notice how the breath moves in and out automatically, effortlessly. Try breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Notice all the details of the experience of breathing. The feeling of the air moving in through the nose and out of the mouth, and the way the body moves as it breathes. Breathe in gently and regularly, and some people find it helpful to count steadily from 1 to 4, and you may not be able to reach 4 at first. Just work on what's comfortable for you. Then, without pausing or holding your breath, let it flow out gently, counting from 1 to 4 again if you find this helpful. And the mind may wander away from the breath. That's fine. It doesn't matter. If and when you notice that you're no longer observing the breath, easily bring your attention back to it. And we'll keep doing this for a few minutes longer.
as you rest back, you can begin noticing the feelings and sensations in your body right now. Just notice some of those sensations that you can be aware of right now. For instance, you may become aware of the feeling of your shoes on your feet, or you may notice the sensations in your hands as they just rest there. Or perhaps you may be aware of how the chair supports your body. And as you continue listening to me and breathing easily and comfortably and deeply, bring your attention back to your breathing and notice that the sensations are different when you breathe in and when you breathe out. Just notice those feelings as you breathe in and fill your lungs, and then notice the sense of release as you breathe out. Now I'd like you to concentrate particularly on the feelings in your toes and feet. Just allow all the muscles and fibres in your toes and feet to become very deeply relaxed. Perhaps even picturing in your mind's eye what it would look like for all those little muscles and tissues to relax loosely and deeply. Allowing yourself that kind of feeling you have when you take off a pair of tight shoes that you've had on for a long time. And you can just let go of all the tension in your toes and feet and feel the relaxation spread. And now imagine that this comfort and relaxation is beginning to spread and flow like a gentle river of relaxation, upward through your ankles and all through your calves, letting go of all the tension in your calves, allowing them to deeply and restfully and comfortably relax. And allow that comfort to continue, flowing upward into your knees and behind your knees and into your thighs, letting go of all the tension in your thighs. Perhaps once again imagining what it might look like for all those large muscles and tissues to become soft and loose and deeply relaxed. Perhaps already noticing that sense of gentle heaviness in your legs as they just sink down limply and comfortably. And continue to allow that comfort to flow and spread upward at its own pace and speed into the middle part of your body, flowing onto your pelvis and abdomen and stomach, through your hips and into your lower back, letting that soothing deep comfort spread inch by inch up through your body, spreading from muscle group to muscle group, gradually, progressively flowing into your chest, into your back, between your shoulder blades and into your shoulders. Just allow all the tension to loosen and flow away, as if somehow just the act of breathing is increasing your comfort. As if somehow every breath you take is just draining the tension out of your body, taking you deeper and deeper into comfort with every breath you take. And allow that comfort to flow into your neck and throat. Perhaps imagining once again what it would look like for all the little fibres and muscles in your neck and throat to deeply, softly, comfortably relax. Let your relaxation sink deep into your neck, and it can gradually flow up your neck, up into your scalp, and all out across your scalp, as if it's just bathing your head with waves of comfort and relaxation. And that relaxation can flow down into your forehead, and like a gentle wave down across your face, into your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth and jaw. Just let go of all the tension in your face, your mouth, your jaw, allowing those tissues and muscles to become soft, slack, and relaxed. And now allow that comfort to flow back down your neck and across your shoulders and down into your arms, through your elbows, through your wrists and hands, through each fingers and thumb, letting go of all the tension and tightness, letting go of all the stress and strain all through your body. Just allowing your body to rest and relax. Rest and relax. And now in your own time, take a nice deep breath and really fill your lungs. And bring your attention back into your surroundings in the room. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes feeling refreshed, energized, and really looking forward to the rest of today.